Okay, we're going to try something new for your spelling pre-test. I'm going to read off the words, and then you can pre-test yourself like we normally do in class, and then check the words yourself by looking on the list when you click on the home page. So, I think how I would do this idea came from Mr. John. Thank you, by the way. This is a brilliant idea. If I read the words, I'm going to read them off in the sentence, and then you can hit pause after each word, and then write it out, and then hit play again, and I'll read the next word. And I'm going to read them all down in a list real quickly, and then you hit pause while you write it, and then you'll have your spelling pretest. So let's begin. Number 1, storage. He placed his furniture in the storage unit. Storage. Number 2, olive. He liked to put a black olive on his sandwich. Olive. Number 3, service. He liked to take use of the takeout service at the Mexican restaurant. Service. Number 4, relative. He went to see his relative on vacation. Relative. Number 5, cabbage. In Alaska, I will grow a large cabbage this summer. Cabbage. Number 6, courage. He will muster enough courage to speak in front of the class. Courage. Number 7, native. Fireweed is a native plant to Alaska. Native. Number 8, passage. He took his sailboat through the inside passage. Passage. Number 9, voyage. He took his sailboat on a long voyage. Voyage. Number 10, knowledge. Hopefully you gain knowledge during your class at school. Knowledge. Number 11, image. The image on the computer was blurry. Image. Number 12, creative. His Choose Your Own Adventure story was very creative. Creative. Number 13, average. The average score of last week's spelling test was 15. Average. Number 14, justice. Her neighbor hoped that justice would be served after he was found trespassing. Justice. Number 14, detective. I will need to become a detective to decipher your handwriting. Detective. Number 15, postage. He bought a postage stamp for the letter. Postage. Number 16, cowardice. He showed great cowardice in not admitting his mistake. Cowardice. Number 17, adjective. An adjective describes a noun. Adjective. Number 18, village. He bicycled through the small village on his way to the large city. Village. Number 19, prejudice. Some people will show prejudice towards others. Prejudice. Number 20, cooperative. He was very cooperative during the class lesson. Cooperative. Number 21, beverage. The nice thing about online school is that you can drink a beverage. Number 22, heritage. I have Scottish and German heritage in my blood. Heritage. Number 23, apprentice. Before I became a teacher, I had to serve as a teacher's apprentice. Apprentice. I think I messed up the numbers. Either that or there's not 25 words. That's the end of my list. So hopefully you sorted out the numbers. I'll do a better job next week, I promise. A little weird given the pretest on Screencast-O-Matic. Hope you did well. Hopefully you found 10 words you do not know how to spell. If not, find 10 words, and that's your spelling list this week.